Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will provide a video about Is TurboTax Legit? TurboTax.com review, file taxes online, tax filing made easy. So, for those of you who are looking for a way, then watch my video until the end. So that you can do it, it depends on the device you use. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my useful videos. Filing taxes can be overwhelming, but TurboTax.com claims to make the process easy and stress-free. As one of the most popular tax filing services in the US, TurboTax offers a range of features for individuals and businesses. But is TurboTax legit, and is it worth using? What is TurboTax? TurboTax is a leading online tax preparation software developed by Intuit. It provides step-by-step guidance, helping users file state and federal taxes accurately. The platform supports various tax situations, from simple W-2 filings to complex self-employment and investment returns. Is TurboTax legit? Yes, TurboTax is a legitimate and widely used tax filing service. Here's why. Trusted brand, TurboTax is backed by Intuit, a reputable financial software company. IRS approved, it's an IRS-authorized e-file provider, ensuring secure and accurate tax submissions. User-friendly, the intuitive interface and AI-powered assistance make filing taxes simple, even for beginners. Maximum refund guarantee, TurboTax ensures users receive the highest refund possible or their money back. Pros and cons of TurboTax. Pros: easy-to-use interface. Free basic filing for simple tax returns. Expert support available. Maximum refund and accuracy guarantees. Cons: higher pricing for complex tax situations. Additional fees for professional assistance. TurboTax.com is legit, secure, and efficient for tax filing. While premium services can be costly, the platform's ease of use, accuracy, and refund guarantees make it a top choice for filing taxes online. Thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate your feedback to improve creativity in creating positive and useful content for many people.